Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you 4 ways to find profitable wallets fast. The first way is to open the chart of a coin that performed well recently. I use Bullex, but you can also use DEX Screener or any other exchange. Go to the top traders section below the chart and look for a wallet that bought tokens for a small amount and sold for good profits. Skip the first wallets because these are mostly dev wallets, and forget the sniper wallets, which you can recognize by the yellow icon. We also don't want wallets with a red rat icon or wallets with no buys. These are insider wallets who can sell their tokens all at once and dumping the price. If you find a wallet that bought for a few hundreds of dollars and sold for good profits, click the wallet and open it in SolScan. Copy the wallet address and open the wallet in the GMGN website, where you can check the recent activity. If the wallet has a win rate of at least 50 and a good profit and loss ratio, then that is a wallet that we want to follow. Click the follow button to add the wallet to your watch list. So when the wallet makes a trade, you will get a notification in your browser or in your Telegram bot if you have it installed. We will stay on the GMGN website for the second way to find good wallets. Click on Copy Trade and go to the KOL VC page. Here we will look for a wallet with a high win rate. We can set the filter to plus 50 and in the 30-day profit and loss filter click on plus 5,000. Click on a wallet to check the win rate and the amount of trades, and if there's a good total profits and loss percentage, we can also add this wallet to our list. The third way to find good wallets is to go to a website called Gatekept.io. This is a paid website, but you can use the free version to spot profitable wallets, which is pretty amazing. First, find a meme coin that has doing well, copy the token address, and then paste it in the Gatekept website. You will see a list with smart wallets, which you can copy and follow up on GMGN, as I just showed you before. You can also find top traders that bought the same coins with the multi-token search function. Let's say you want to find top traders who bought the Rismus and Chill Guy tokens, which are doing very well now. So enter the token contact addresses in the fields and click on the Find Matching Traders button. The list will show all the wallets who bought the 2 tokens, so these are mostly traders who have some insider information. Copy the wallet address and use the GMGN website again to see if the wallet is profitable, and also add it to your list if it has good results. And the last way to find good wallets is by using the TradeWiz Telegram bot. Open the Smart Wallet page and click on the Locate Smart Money for a specific token button. Enter the token contract address in the form and it will display a list of profitable wallets for that token. Click on a wallet address to see all the other tokens that the wallet has bought. You can see the win rate, the amount of trades, and the 7-day profit and loss. If you want to see the 24-hour or the 30-day overview, just click one of these buttons. You can even check all the transaction records by that trader or copy the wallet address to do more research on GMGN. If you want to copy trade this wallet, click the Create Copy Trading button and enter your specifications in the copy trading page. I have a full tutorial on my channel to see how copy trading with TradeWiz works, so check that video if you want to know more. If you don't want to enter a token address, click on Give me a smart money address to get today's recommended smart money wallet. I have links for all these tools and websites in the description below. Thank you for being here again, and remember, this isn't financial advice. Meme coins are risky. Always do your own research before you invest money, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or chat with me in my Telegram group. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and hit the small notification bell to get my latest videos first. Have a great day and stay safe. Bye bye.